For decades, the Kepler Space Telescope scanned the sky, looking for something simple. A small dip in light caused by a distant planet passing in front of its star. And it worked. Thousands of worlds discovered using nothing but shadows. But in 2015, Kepler found something that didn't behave like anything we've ever seen. It wasn't round. It wasn't predictable. And whatever it was blocking nearly a quarter of the star's light. Not a planet. Not dust. Not a comet. A decade later, we still don't know what it is. To understand the mystery, you need to understand the rule. This is how we find planets. It's called the transit method. When a planet passes in front of a star, it blocks a tiny fraction of its light. The result is a smooth, predictable dip, a perfect curve, symmetrical, repeatable, reliable. This is what physics looks like when it behaves. Then there's KIC 8462858, located in the Cygnus constellation, over 1,400 light-years away. For 4 years, Kepler watched it, and everything was normal. Stable light, consistent patterns, nothing unusual, until it wasn't. On day 800, the star didn't dip. It dropped violently, and the shape was wrong. Not smooth, not symmetrical, jagged, chaotic, impossible. Planets are round. They create smooth curves. This is not smooth, so it's not a planet. Dust behaves differently. It blocks specific wavelengths of light. But this object blocks everything equally. That means it's solid. Whatever is out there is massive, irregular, and has no defined shape. Something we don't have a model for. Until now, every theory assumed this was temporary, a passing object, a one-time event. But then, astronomers looked deeper, back into history, and what they found changed everything. Since 1890, the star has been fading, slowly, relentlessly. Over a century, it has lost 14% of its brightness. Not in days, not in years, but decades. And according to everything we know, that is impossible. Stars don't behave like this. They don't slowly disappear, unless something is taking their energy. So what are we looking at? A natural phenomenon we don't understand? A structure built on a scale we can't comprehend? Or something else entirely? Because whatever it is, it doesn't follow our rules. And that is what makes it dangerous, not physically, but intellectually. Because if this is real, then something we believe about the universe is wrong. We like to believe the universe is predictable, a system a machine governed by laws we understand. But KIC 8462852 is a crack in that system, a place where our equations stop working. Maybe we're not looking at a broken star. Maybe we're looking at the limits of our own understanding. And somewhere out there, in the silence of space, this object remains, watching, waiting, unexplained.